Want to make a quick Google Meet link and share it? Here's how you can do it in less than a minute. First, open your web browser and then type Google Meet. And click on the first link. It should say something Google Meet. Now, click on the button that says New Meeting. And you will see fewer options like create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Meet. So click on create for later. And this will give you a Google Meet link. Just copy the link and send it to the other person. And you can say something like, let's meet at 8 p.m. using this link. When it's time, both of you can click the link and join the meeting. Don't forget to allow your camera and microphone when asked. And that's it. You have created and shared your Google Meet link fast and easy. Like this video if this helped and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.